guys, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, you can see there is many color combination, different types of vehicle here, all are nice and brand new. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these vehicles with my hand. At first is a cartoony car. Let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this cartoony car. This one is green, black and white color combination. And next one is a Feluda here, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this Feluda. This one is red, black and white color combination. This one is a Benton famous car, so I will try this one now. I parked here this Benton famous car. This one is green and black color combination. So friends, now I will drive this Spider-Man car. Let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this Spider-Man car. This one is green, black and white color combination. Wow friends, you can see this one is a quad race beast bike, so I will drive this one now. I parked here this beast bike. This one is pink, yellow and black color combination. And next one is a power tractor here, so I will drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this tractor. This one is pink, black and yellow color combination. This is the last one, is a high power backhoe here, so I will drive this one also. I parked here this power backhoe. This one is black and yellow color combination. So friends, at last all of my vehicles hand driven and serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.